Hello everyone, and welcome to just a quick little video to talk about the final call for the revision lectures on September the 30th and October the 1st from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. or thereabouts. We will go longer based on how many questions people have and where we're at. We'll also take a 5 minutes break here and there just so you can stretch out and make sure that you're going to keep focused. These lectures are going to be recorded, so if you are worried that you can't attend during those times, it's going to be recorded through Microsoft Teams. I'll make that available. If that's not in a quality that I'm happy with, I'll just record the 3 hours as a separate time and release that as a video or in a few 1 hour chunks because exporting a 3 hour video could destroy my computer. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going through all of the content for Unit 3 and 4, starting from Area Study 1, going all the way through to Unit 4, Area Study 2. We're going to talk about some exam tips with those areas of study along the way, talk about some exam technique focus. But we're going to be doing all these kind of things. It's only $20 if you haven't signed up yet. It is available to you. It's like $20.50 because there's a little bit of a processing fee there. But you've got until tomorrow night to sign up for Thursday's lecture or until Thursday night to sign up for Friday's lecture. When you sign up, I've been getting links out to people pretty short afterwards. You'll also be given the PowerPoint presentation that has all of my notes throughout it. I'll be adding notes to it on the day as well via drawing. But we're doing all kinds of things, like we'll be drawing lots of demand and supply diagrams, which is very exciting because I know you love those. We'll be talking about all the different trends and different graphs to say what's happening, what that means for the future. There's going to be a whole heap of stuff. I'm going to make sure that we have the most up-to-date data on all the different economic indicators. We're going to talk about some key budgetary policies and kind of the strategy around how many budgetary policies you should know and be using throughout. And basically anything you want to know. Aside from that, I want to kind of give a heads up that I was thinking of, in the lead up to the exam, potentially doing a few live videos on YouTube or in the Discord if you're there in the lead up to that, probably on a weekend around lunchtime, because then my daughter will be napping, where I can take questions from anyone who has them and kind of go through them live to help you get prepared for the exam as best as possible, because it's only about a month and a half away now, which is terrifyingly soon. But that's essentially it. So if you want to sign up to a revision lecture, the link to the page is just right below this video in the description. If you have any questions at all between now and then, feel free to email me, sean@therunningeconomy.com. Feel free to, if you want to keep up to date on everything going on, there's a blog on there and all the videos here. But other than that, I hope you're having a great holidays and I will see you next time. Bye.